And then now in the last verse here, interesting, I should have spoken about that first, then we would have got more attention, I think. Hear what he says here in the last verse, after speaking of arrogance. So then he speaks about Waqsir fil mashyika, waghdud min sautik. And then he goes on. He says, your affairs. So he uses the word here, mashyika, your walk. But what is your walk? You know, walk the talk and talk the walk? What is walk used as? Not just walking fast and walking slow. That's what it means literally. Don't walk too fast. Be moderate. And don't walk too slow. But here, the walk, the talk, and the talk, the walk means your affairs, our dealings. Don't be extravagant. Don't be extreme. Be moderate in things that we do. That's what Allah is saying here. Waqsir fi mashyika waghdud. And then he says, waghdud min sautik, and lower your voice. Well, that's different. We talk about that just on Baith and conclude the khutbah. So he says, in your life, you know, you want to accomplish all the business one day. You want to build a castle on the air. Come on, take your time. Be moderate. Do things professional. Do things with protocol. Do things with principle. That's what he's saying here. Our dealings, our business, our whatever affairs that we do, halal affairs, whatever affairs we do, be moderate in what we do. You know the famous saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. You might try to do everything one time and be extreme in this. Oh, I'm going to put everything right here in this stock market. It crashed and that's the end of it.